So guys, this is the movement on our gold. So let's understand what gold is. So in order for us to properly predict what market to be doing. So to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, click on the bell notification, subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you'll be alerted once you drop an update. And also follow the Telegram also. You'll find the link to the Telegram section. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here on gold, if you have to zoom it out, you see that gold is very much on a trend. We are very much, you can see that this is very much a trending market to the downside, right? This is a downtrend move. Now, but what market is doing right here, market is currently giving us an lower high, which is a pullback phase. Now, take a look at this moment. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If you see this to be our lower low, this is the lower high. This is the lower low. Here comes the lower high. This is also the lower high, a lower low, sorry. Here comes the lower high. Market then give us this massive sell, which is a lower low, right? Now that we've gotten this massive sell, which is a lower low that took out this previous low, market is currently forming a lower high. So lower high is still playing out. So once the lower high plays out finish, another drop is likely going to give us out to its form. So guys, a lower high is currently out on our gold. So let's see gold push up one more time. See it comes to level of 45,000 in 4,053. So this should be our target for the day on our gold. So let's target a level 4545. So 4,545. That should be our target for the day on gold. So once gold gives us that push up, bullish move, which is the push up right that we're expecting, and it taps a level of 4545, then I'm going to do an update. Let you guys know what will likely happen next. It's either market will likely continue the movement upward or it will likely drop again. Whatever market will do, I'll make sure I do the update and I'll let you guys know. So make sure you do not miss out on the update.